TATA Technologies is a global engineering and IT services company that provides product development, manufacturing, and engineering solutions to various industries. Here's an overview of the history and evolution of TATA Technologies. TATA Technologies was established in 1989 as TATA Inc., a subsidiary of Tata Motors, formerly known as Tata Engineering and Locomotive Co. Limited, one of India's largest automotive companies. Its initial focus was on providing computer-aided design (CAD) services to Tata Motors. In the 1990s, TATA Technologies expanded its services beyond Tata Motors and started serving clients in the aerospace, industrial machinery, and consumer goods industries. The company diversified its offerings to include product development, engineering services, and enterprise IT solutions. In the early 2000s, TATA Technologies embarked on a global expansion strategy. It established offices and development centers in various countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Japan, China, and South Korea. This helped the company to tap into international markets and serve global clients. TATA Technologies has pursued an acquisition strategy to strengthen its capabilities and expand its market reach. Some notable acquisitions include the acquisition of Cambric Corporation, 2005, an engineering services company based in the United States, and the acquisition of Ascenda Engineering AB, 2016, a Swedish engineering and design company. These acquisitions allowed TATA Technologies to enhance its expertise in areas such as embedded systems, industrial design, and engineering analysis. The company has also formed strategic collaborations with technology partners and academic institutions to foster innovation and drive research and development efforts. Over the years, TATA Technologies has evolved from being primarily an automotive engineering services provider to a global player offering a wide range of engineering and IT solutions across multiple industries. The company has developed expertise in areas such as product lifecycle management, PLM, manufacturing and assembly, digital manufacturing, and connected vehicles. In recent years, TATA Technologies has placed a significant emphasis on digital transformation and emerging technologies. The company has been actively involved in leveraging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, IoT, augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, to help clients streamline their operations, improve product development processes, and enhance overall efficiency. Today, TATA Technologies operates as an independent subsidiary of Tata Motors and serves clients across industries such as automotive, aerospace, industrial machinery, consumer goods, and healthcare. With a global presence and a diverse range of offerings, the company continues to play a significant role in the engineering and IT services landscape.